Greetings traders, this is Coach Robert with another episode of TopstepX in 5 minutes or less. In this video, we will review the chart settings and options. There are two ways to access the chart settings. One is the gear at the top right, and the other we can right click on the chart and choose settings. It's the same area. There are 4 subcategories for the chart settings. They're pretty straightforward. The first section is candles. We can see the body, the border, and the wick colors, which is a lot I like to have here. The last line, last price. The previous day close currently is not available. The high and low is, and it shows them plotted here in the chart. We can change all of these colors. And of course, we can change our time zone. The status line is what is displayed at the top right. We have the symbol and the name. Here it is. We can just have the ticker, just have the description, or both. Open market status is this section here, turning on or off. It'll be yellow or green. Open, high, low, close values is this section right here. If I mouse over the candle, move my cursor left and right, they will change according to that particular candle. You can turn them on or off. The bar change values is a percentage, which is here. And then of course we have the volume, which is here as well. I'll move over the green candle so you can see them a little bit better. This is what I like to see. The indicators is this section here. Whether we want to have the arguments, means what they are set at. By unchecking it, we can just have our straight titles or turn them off altogether. The values are added where the EMA here, the blue, the value of it is currently, well, 18184, but if I mouse over this area, it will show me what the value was at that area. And then the background is just some highlighting that goes behind it, like this, depending on the color of your canvas. The scales are just like it says, the scales on the right and the time on the bottom. The symbol name, we can see, we light up NQ. If we turn on the symbol close price, again, that is not available. This is the high and low price, which we can see, it's showing it on the side. The indicator name, if we wish to display it, is showing it right here. But notice the value, indicator value, is under this current price. So I can choose the no overlapping, and it will simply keep them separate to make them easier to see. And these are all configurable options. Countdown to bar close is here. The plus button just makes it easy to the right-hand side, where if I click the plus, it will draw a horizontal line at that level. And finally, the canvas. You can set this up as your own view. Here's a gradient. The top is gray, the bottom is black. We can see it is a gradient. For example, if I choose blue, it will show the bottom is blue and the top is gray. Or if I want to choose yellow for the top, there's the yellow. You can set it any way that you like. Grid lines, whether you want to see the vertical and horizontal, or either one or none. Session breaks is this dotted line, and that is the market open, 5 p.m. Central Time each day. The watermark is what displays the instrument being traded. And the text is the right-hand side and the time down the bottom, and we can change the size of these and the color of the font. The lines themselves are these lines right here separating them. The navigation is down the bottom right here. It goes away, visible on mouse over, and this is so I can move the chart back and forth. And if it's completely off the screen, I can just choose this to reset the chart view. It brings me right back to the beginning. That will conclude some of the chart settings and the options that are available to you.